How to set up and use Cricut Mug Press Beginner's Guide. Step 1. Open up Cricut DesignSpace and click on the 3 lines on the top left side of the screen. Step 2. Select New Machine Setup, then select Heat Press when it tells you to select a product type. Step 3. Select Cricut Mug Press, follow the instructions in the Prepare Workspace screen and click the arrow. Step 4. Next, plug in the mug press to the power outlet and power on, then click the arrow. Step 5. Connect the mug press and the computer using a USB cable, then click Continue. Step 6. Once connected, agree to the terms and conditions, then click Activate. Step 7. Cricut will perform a firmware update to ensure that all settings are current. Step 8. When the update is complete, disconnect the USB cable and click Get Started. Step 9. Now go to Cricut DesignSpace and find a mug design setup under Projects, then select the size from the drop-down menu. Step 10. Click Customize and the design will load into the canvas. Step 11. You can also go to Images, type mug in the search bar and then select a design you want to use. Step 12. Once you have the design in the canvas, resize it and you can use the design as it is or personalize it. Step 13. To personalize, you can go to Text and add text, or go to Images, then select and add images to use. Step 14. Once you've added the elements, select both layers and click Slice. Step 15. Delete the sliced layers that you do not need. Step 16. Once the design is ready, click Make It Turn On Mirror in the Prepare screen and then click Continue. Step 17. Click Browse All Materials, search and select Infusible Ink Transfer Sheet, then click Done. Step 18. Then set the pressure to More. Step 19. Place the infusible ink material on the mat, smooth it down and then open the machine. Step 20. Load the mat into the machine and start cutting. Step 21. Once it's done cutting, unload the mat, flip the mat and peel it away from the material. Step 22. Roll and bend the material gently, then weed out the design. Step 23. Once you're done weeding, clean the surface of the mug using a lint roller. Step 24. Position the mug with the handle pointing towards you, then place the wrap mug behind the mug with the design facing inwards. Step 25. Slowly and tightly wrap the design around the mug, then press down the sticky carrier sheet. Step 26. Once the mug is wrapped, make sure that the power button is green in the mug press. Step 27. Place the mug inside the mug press with the handle a little toward the left instead of centering it. Step 28. Make sure that the heat plates have completely covered the design, then push down the clamp to close it. Step 29. Closing the clamp will start the pressing process and the little light on the top will indicate the progress of the press. Step 30. It'll take about 6 minutes to press the mug. Step 31. The mug press will beep once it's done pressing. Lift the clamp to release it. Step 32. Pull the mug out by the handle, place it on the heat-resistant mat and let it cool. Step 33. Once it has cooled, remove the transfer sheet and it's done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.